Hey everybody, it's Al from Worksman Cycles, and I'm going to show you how to install your 18 amp hour lithium battery on a side-by-side or a PAV. It's the same method, it's just two different trikes. So basically here's what you're doing. Your battery is two different pieces. You have the battery itself, and then you have the tray that it slides onto. When you get the trike from the factory, we do all this installation for you when you buy a motorized trike. Your battery goes in on a sliding track, and this port right here is going to connect with a port inside the battery tray. So just line your tray up onto the battery and slide it in. Now there's a key on the side of your battery. That key is going to lock this battery in place. So right now it's still unlocked. Once I turn the battery key to the right, it's now locked. So you can't steal the battery, you can't remove it, and it also keeps a nice solid connection to those battery ports so that you don't lose any power while you're riding. You don't want that battery to wiggle up and loosen and lose your power connection. So right now you're locked in place. You can take the key out if you want to. Probably a good idea to do that. And then when you want to remove it, turn it back over to the left and your battery will slide right back out. You can take it out to charge the battery, and you really don't have to either. You can leave it in and just plug it into the port on the side and charge your battery without removing the battery each time. And that is how you take your battery in and out for your 18 amp hour side-by-side or PAV. If you have any questions, give us a call, 718-322-2000. Enjoy your ride.